Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be another free food haul. Everything was free. So let's get started. The very first thing I got was this box of generic crispy oats. It's like a knockoff of Cheerios. I got some elbow macaroni. I got this big bag right here of rice. This is the long grain rice. Got another bag of that. That's the real big heavy one. I got a whole bunch of little candy bars for free. You know, Reese's, Kit Kats, little Almond Joys. Just a whole little bunch of accessories. Reese's Pieces, you know, stuff like that. Little candy bars. I got this cinnamon Chex cereal again. I got a whole bunch of Caesar's dog foods. These are different little flavors of dog food. So this is the beef stew for the dog. I got what is this? Sausage flavor with egg and cheese and sauce. So I don't know if my dog will eat that one. Glazed ham, limited edition. Then I got smoked. Is it smoked? Yeah, smoked bacon and eggs. So my dog will have little stuff. They gave me this for free. I got a whole bunch of these little fruit cup things. So this is like an applesauce. Got this little bag of apple crisp, little snack. I got this big container right here. It's frozen. It's still hard and frozen. This is beef and cheese, like an enchilada casserole. It's a nice big enchilada casserole in there. Got a little thing of these Little Mott's fruit punch juice. I got this can right here of Bumblebee tuna fish. I got a can right here of some potatoes, green peas. I got this big can right here of the Yes. I know this is a soup. Let me see if it zooms in. It's not zooming in. Sweet potato corn chowder. That's what it is. Soup. Got this big can right here of spaghetti sauce. I got a thing of peanut butter, creamy peanut butter, and that's it for right now. I will be getting more shipped to me. So anyway, thanks for watching this free food haul. I will talk to you guys later. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will upload them soon. So stay tuned for that. Give me a thumbs up if you like my videos, and I will be uploading more as usual. Have a good day, guys. Bye.